how to clean and test a Medela Symphony pump. Take it out, open it up, spray it with the diluted cavicide solution, let it sit for at least 3 minutes. Next, you're going to take some cavicide wipes and wipe down the entire pump. Make sure it's open on the top. Wipe down the cord, make sure it's unplugged from itself. You'll also want to do the bottom of the pump and the pump case. All inside. This is after you let it sit for 3 minutes. This is just a demo. And then wipe down the outside of the pump too. Next, you can take a toothbrush, spray it with the cavicide solution, and just scrub everywhere. Inside the top of the pump, where the suction cups go, and inside the pump case as well. After that, take some Q-tips and check your work. Also helps with the drying process. Just want to go all around anywhere that you think anything can get into. That includes the back of the pump too. Now we are going to plug it into itself and plug it into the power strip to test. Once plugged in, you will need to get a Medela or Hygeia gauge. They only work with the 24 millimeter flange. So either one works for either pump, but it will only work in a 24 millimeter flange to test correctly. Then you'll need connector pieces, tubing, a bottle, and the suction cups on top. So the pump is on. Place in the suction cup, close the top, push in firmly. The pump is already on. You'll press the button on the left to start the suctioning, and then immediately press the button on the right for the more powerful suction. Turn it all the way up. Let it run for 30 seconds first before testing. We want to make sure it's around at least 250 psi. You also want to check the other side and do the same thing. Turn it on, turn it all the way up, and press the button on the right for more pull. Turn it all the way up. Let it run for 30 seconds. Again, this is a demo pump that I've already tested, so I didn't let it run for 30 seconds. And if you can read on the dial, it is pumping at least 280 here, which is great. Then press the button on the left to turn the pump off and stop pumping. Take everything out, and you are done. Next, we want to finish cleaning the pump. So you can use this green scrub brush with the Gooby Gone if needed. Right now I'm going to use Sharpie to just touch up. You'll also want a dry rag to wipe everything off when you're done, and an air duster as the last to finish your work. If you missed anything, or if anything floated on, don't worry, it does leave a little bit of a residue over, but it'll be gone. And then we want to unplug it from the back of itself and the power strip, roll it all back up, and put it in the case since we are all done. So when we place this in, what we want to make sure is everything lies correctly in here. So we're going to put it in on its back with the power cords kind of towards us when we roll them up so they don't get squished. So I lay it flat here, it goes in. This is the side with the clips on it, as you can see here. And then I'll kind of just fold everything up together. That way nothing is crushed. And we really want to make sure that power cord isn't plugged in on itself. I'm going to fold them up. Some of them come with a quick start guide in there that also fits, but this pump is secure, it's clean. Now I can close it and the clips will click in place and you are all set.